Welcome to 20 Car. If you crave speed, art, and pure adrenaline wrapped in a razor-sharp Italian masterpiece, the 2025 Lamborghini Huracán is your ticket to a dream come true. This isn't just a car, it's a beast sculpted by the gods of performance and passion. Appearance that turns heads. The Huracán's angular design is a symphony of edges and curves. Its razor-thin LED headlights slice through the darkness, while its hexagonal air intakes and aggressive front splitter scream aerodynamic perfection. The rear features quad exhausts and a diffuser designed like an art piece, blending beauty with function. Dashboard that's part spaceship, part jet fighter. Inside, the cockpit welcomes you to a digital wonderland. A fully customizable 12.3-inch display offers driving modes, telemetry, and navigation, while the Alcantara upholstery hugs you in luxury. The fighter jet-inspired start button is a theatrical flair only Lamborghini can deliver. Performance specs that drop jaws. Powered by a 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 engine, the Huracán churns out 640 horsepower, roaring from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.9 seconds. The cutting-edge all-wheel drive system ensures unparalleled traction, whether on tight corners or open roads. Competitors? Few can keep up. Rivals include the Ferrari 296 GTB and McLaren Artura, but the Huracán's visceral charm often leaves them in the dust. Price and ownership costs. With a starting price of $265,000, ownership requires deep pockets. Maintenance, insurance, and depreciation are premium class, but the emotional return is priceless. Driving experience. Every ride feels like a heart-pounding movie scene, blending raw power and precision engineering into a unique symphony of thrill. Advantages: exquisite design, thrilling performance. Disadvantages: pricey ownership, limited practicality.